Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to track when people open your emails using HubSpot. This is incredibly useful for understanding how your audience engages with your content and measuring the effectiveness of your email campaigns. Let's jump right in and get you set up. First things first, open your browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create a free account or start a trial to access these tracking features. After logging in, you'll land on the main HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for all marketing activities. Now look over to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your marketing tools. Hover your cursor over the option labeled Marketing. This will expand a submenu with several choices. From that list, click on Email. This section is where all your email tracking and analytics live, giving you full visibility into how your messages are performing. Once you're in the email section, you'll notice several tabs at the top. What you're looking for is the tab named Analyze. Click on it to access a comprehensive report of your recipient engagement. This is where the magic happens. You'll immediately see key metrics displayed, including emails sent, open rate, click-through rate, and reply rate. These numbers give you a clear picture of how many people are actually opening your emails and engaging with your content. Next, scroll down to explore the delivery report section. Here, you'll find a detailed dashboard showing your delivery stats. This includes your delivery rate, hard bounce rate, unsubscribe rate, and spam report rate. These metrics are crucial because they help you understand not just who's opening your emails, but also whether your messages are reaching inboxes successfully or hitting roadblocks along the way. At the top of this section, you'll see options to download all the data shown. This is particularly handy if you need to share reports with your team or analyze trends over time. Make sure to pay attention to the date range selector and apply filters based on your tracking preferences. This allows you to zoom in on specific campaigns or time periods to get more granular insights. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.